In this video, I will share with you my exact strategies to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest and drive massive traffic to earn daily commissions. If you are a beginner or looking to scale, these proven tips will help you to create eye-catching pins that convert. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will know how to start making money with Amazon Associate on Pinterest today. This is my Amazon affiliate account, and as you can see over here, I made $139,753 in commission last year promoting Amazon affiliate links with free traffic. This video I will share with you my method with Pinterest. So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do, just go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Amazon Associate. Click on sign up like this. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. Okay, this will be your home page. You should see your commissions, samurai, bounties over here, and tools, promotion, and so on. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you will start promoting on Pinterest to earn daily commissions. So how we can choose good product that people will be interested to buy from you on Pinterest? So here is what you will do. First, you need to create a business account on Pinterest, okay, like this one. So if you don't have, that's fine. Just go to Google. Let me show you, and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. You should know that Pinterest is also a search engine platform, and people are using it. And already, if you go to your homepage and you scroll down, you should see already people promoting their product on Pinterest, Etsy products, Amazon, Fiverr, and so much more. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so what you will do next is you will go to find trending product. You will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend. Search for this website. Okay, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. So this website will give you what's trending on Pinterest this month. Okay, so this will be your home page. If you scroll down, you have here countries, and you can choose which country you want to target, or you want to see the product that are trending in specific countries. For example, United States, you have Canada, Italy, Spain. I will choose United States. I will scroll down, and you have here top trends in United States this month. Okay, we have Christmas nails. This one was trending. I think it's not trending now. And this one, as you can see, the graph is going down. You guys can see here. Anyway, we have this one here, shelf ideas. We have these products for women, nails. We have date night beauty. If we click here, we can find more. We have hairstyle, cool sunglasses, winter nails. Let's check this one, hairstyle. I will click on this one and I will scroll down. You guys can see the graph of this topic is still going up. Okay, it's still good. So I will click here first and I will choose past 3 months. You guys can see the graph of this topic hairstyle. It's still trending. It's still good. Like it's still going up. You see. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword. Okay, and I will go back to Amazon. Go and open your Amazon homepage like this. Click on the search and search for hairstyle for women. Okay, I will search for product related to what's trending in United States this month. Okay, I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose and always choose also product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Okay, for example, like this one, you guys can see this one. Over 7,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this one is good. So I will click on this one. Let's choose this one. Just click on the product that you want to promote, and here you go. You will be directly in this Amazon product page. What you will do next, so pay close attention. What you will do, you will click on this picture. Just click on the picture of this product like this, and you have different pictures, and double click on the picture and click on save image. Okay, and save this picture to your laptop like this. So what you will do next, you will go and search for Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, and you can click scroll down. Okay, let me show you, and click here on click on search your content. Okay, you can search for, let's search for example for Pinterest. I'm gonna search for Pinterest pin. Okay, Pinterest pin. Okay, search for Pinterest pin, this one. Okay, and click on this one like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of Pinterest pin templates here. What you will do is you need to upload the image that you download from Amazon and edit this picture on Canva to make it your own picture. Okay, you have a lot of pins here, you guys can see. Okay, you can click on create blank, you can make your own. So you will be directly in this page. Click on upload and click on upload file, and upload the picture that you download from Amazon, this one about this product. Okay, and here you go. Click on your picture. Your picture will be over here like this, and put your picture like this. You just need to edit this picture on Canva. Okay, you can add your logo, click on text, you can add your Pinterest name account here, and you can also click on the picture. You can edit, if you click on edit, you can edit the color, add stickers, add different elements to make this picture your own picture. Okay, and after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this picture will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy and simple, and here you go. You see. So what you will do next, after you edit this picture on Canva, you will go back to you will go back to your Pinterest home page and click over here on home feed, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and upload the picture that you download from Canva, that you edited on Canva, this one. Okay, about this product. Click on open, and here you go. Scroll down. You need to put title here. Okay, your the title of this product. So what you will do, you will go back to Amazon and you will copy this title. Of course, we will not put this title like this. What we will do, we will use AI. Okay, so go to ChatGPT. You can go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and you can sign up using your email address. The sign up process is so easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. And what you need to do, you just need to click on message and ask him turn this Amazon product, title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank good. And I will put this title of this Amazon product. Okay, here I will click over here and I will get an optimized title that I can use in my Pinterest pins. So you see, even ChatGPT will give you SEO keyword to include, you see, and will give you optional pin description. You have everything. You just need to copy copy this one like this, and go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Description, go back to ChatGPT and you already have description here. Okay, let's go back to Pinterest and I will put my description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So what you will do, go back to this Amazon product page and click here on get link. And you will get your Amazon affiliate link that you can use to promote this product and earn commissions. Copy this link. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. So for people who are asking, you can't put affiliate links directly on Pinterest. You can. You just need to use your own content. Okay, for me, I have been doing the same method for years. Okay, and I never got any problems. If you have any problems with this, you can create an affiliate website and you can put your affiliate website link here, and instead you will put all your Amazon affiliate links inside your affiliate website. Okay, so it's clear. So click on choose a board, click on create a board if you have new account, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. I'm gonna choose this one, and you can create as many as you want. Go over here to topics, tags, go back to ChatGPT, and you have keywords here. Okay, copy those keywords and go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here, all those keywords. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. This is exactly how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, and you guys can see this is the picture of your product. This is your title, good title. This is your Amazon affiliate link, and that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? And here you go. You guys can see people already promoting this product on Pinterest. You see, people already making so much money with this method. You see this? A lot of websites are promoting this product on Pinterest. Okay, eBay. We have this website here. Shane, I don't know which this one, and we have so much more. You see, already they are promoting this product because it's already trending. This is exactly how we can start making daily commissions with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from Pinterest. You just need to do it correctly and follow those steps that I shared with you. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you and I will explain to you everything. Inside my course, you will get access to all my profitable Amazon affiliate product that I'm promoting using social media, using not just Pinterest, of course not. I'm using Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, short videos, long videos on YouTube, and so much more. And you will get also my guide. So if you have any, if you face, for example, any problems or you have any question, you will get access to me and to my team. Every time you can ask any question you want, and you will get help to help you scale your affiliate marketing business and start making some good commissions every single month. That's it. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.